Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford F-150, that generation right there from year 2009 to year 2014. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the steering column control module, also known as SCCM fuse, guys. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located, where you can buy cheap fuses from, and why you always should test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our two supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So we will have two fuses that we need to check. We will demonstrate on a 2012 Ford F-150. Even if you have a different year, but that generation video may be helpful. You guys have two fuse boxes. One is under the hood right here. Okay, if you open the hood on your F-150, right above the radiator fan, you have the fuse box here. But we don't need this one. We need the one that's inside the vehicle. We're talking about the one on the passenger side, under the dash, kind of like under the glove box by the kick panel right there in the foot. Well, you open the cover on the side and you're going to see your glove box, your fuse box, excuse me, looks just like that. We took a picture, we zoomed it a little bit so we can show you clearly everything here in a great detail. Now, let's explain why you should always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. We will need to check two fuses for the steering column control module. That's the first row here. We need to work in the second row right there, guys. We need to specifically find fuse number 23, which will be under that relay in the second row will be 1, 2, that second fuse, that 15 amp fuse here that you need to check. And next you will need to find one more fuse, which is number 24. So these two fuses, guys, this one and the one right there, these two fuses will need to be checked for the steering column control module. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.